Guys, ayan guys, i-flex ko lang ulit sa inyo ang aking Acerola cherry, and that is my mother tree. Mother siya kasi kumukuha na kami ng anak niya. Nag-grafting kami kasi may mga bumibili na sa amin ito. Actually, this is quite pricey. Pricey to guys kasi yung about 3 feet nito cost 1,200. So, nagtatry pa lang kami. Actually, nakabuhay na kami ng dalawa. Medyo pinapadahon pa namin bago nakaano na siya for departure na. And do you know guys, na sobrang pag-aalaga namin sa tanim namin na to. Kaya lang binibigyan niya kami ng maraming bunga kasi nga we're giving my Acerola cherry all the tender love and care. And do you know guys, nakaka-harvest lang namin just today guys, just today, to make it clear just today, kasi ang dami niyang bunga guys, but it's growing on the top of the tree, sa kataas-taasan talaga guys. At ayan, mga sa mababa, this one, yan, mga tatlo-tatlo, nagpukumpul-kumpul sila. You see ang taas, hindi mo makita kasi ang bunga ho nila ay kulay green, almost kakulay ng kanilang ng dahon. So, kaya lang mapapansin mo siya guys, pagka siya mahihinog na, ang dami niyang pula-pula sa taas. Meaning to say, and that's for harvest. And do you know guys, ilan ang nakuha namin just today guys. And it's really amazing. Imagine, nakapag-harvest kami ng more than a kilo. Eto guys, this is the living proof. Yan guys, diba? And that's, according to Papa Google, this is 10 times in vitamin C. Kumain ka na doon ito ng 10 pieces, something like that. And then, yun, nasuportahan na yung iyong pangangailangan ng katawan mo, vitamin C. You see? Tiyaga lang talaga magtanim. And our lot is just very small. Konti lang excess lot namin. Pero, I'll make it na mapakinabangan namin, di ba? Ayan guys. At ito yung aming fruit of sacrifice na pag-aalaga namin sa kanya. Actually, nilalagay namin vitamins dito is ng this is organic by the way. To make clear lang this is organic. Ang nilalagay namin kasi rito, yung mga pinagbalatan namin ng gulay, iniipon namin yon sa isang tabi. And then, iniipon-ipon namin. Tapos, pag nabulok siya, we make it as a fertilizer. Kaya siguro, ma-healthy yung aming mga pananim. Ayan guys, yan ang harvest namin today. And you see, ang ganda-ganda, diba guys? Tingnan mo. Masarap talaga yung namimitas ka na pinaghirapan mo, diba guys? So, we can call this a fruit of sacrifice. Ayan guys, a fruit of sacrifice, ayan, Acerola cherries. Tingnan nyo naman guys. It looks almost like an apple. Diba? Diba? Ang cute-cute guys, Meron marami nito sa abroad meron ito sa US and other some countries. Alam ko meron to kasi ginugoogle ko to And I can justify to you when you open the YouTube, makikita mo po na may mga nagtatanim sa abroad. At kahit sa kanila, expensive din ang puno nito guys. Talagang ibang klase yung lasa niya Kakaiba siya. Pag hilaw siya, yung medyo ganitong klase guys, maniba. Ito guys, naglalasang parang bayabas. Taste like guava. Pero ito, cherry siya. Kaya lang iba yung parang may tangy taste siya. Yung something like parang manamis-namis na medyo maasim. Ayan guys, see? It's just being picked just right now lang ba? Ayan guys, diba? Alam mo guys, hindi naman ako masyado inclined dito Kaya lang, natutuwa ako kasi what makes me happy is all year round binibigyan niya kami ng prutas. But according to some, seasonal lang daw to. Pero it started fruiting last April of this year. Nag-umpisa siya. And what month na ngayon, 'di ba? Today is December na. Oh. You see? Ang dami na naming na-harvest dito, guys. Ayan, guys, oh, 'di ba? Ang dami na namin na-harvest. That's why natutuwa ako every time na nagpo-fruit siya, binibigyan niya kami, nag-harvest kami. Pineplex ko talaga. Even in my YouTube, in my FB Reels, and even on TikTok. 'Di ba, guys? O, 'di ba nakakatuwa? 'Di ba? Despite the small excess lot we have in this house, in this small property, we managed to plant na mga papakinabangan namin which can be beneficial to our health, 'di ba, guys? And that's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you are watching my YouTube, thank you so much. And I encourage all of the people out there na meron kayong mga excess lots, why don't you plant this? Medyo pricey nga lang po ang puno nito. If you're gonna buy about 3 feet high, ayan, 3 feet high or 2 feet high, it will cost 1,200. And sometimes sa iba, up to 1,500 pa. Medyo mahirap kasi magbuhay nito. Ang seed nito, guys, hindi nabubuhay eh. Ewan ko lang, pahirapan ata. Pero nag-grafting kami. But it took a long time bago siya lumaki. I don't know, because we are just amateur. We don't know how exactly the best way na makapag-grafting kami. Kasi wala naman kami experience when it comes to farming or whatever. So, ganun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from me. Kasi sayang din, di ba, guys? Kaysa bibili ka nito. And this is very rare. Bihira ka makakita nito dito sa Pilipinas na may tanim nito. Bihirang-bihira. Maybe, siguro there are a lot of subdivisions around us in General Trias, but seldom you can see this kind of tree. I'm so lucky enough and thank God for having this kind of tree. Alam nyo, guys, na I also share the nature. You know what, guys? Kasi ang aking tree, yan, dahil cherry, birds love cherries. Alam mo, tinitira namin yung iba talaga dyan. Pinakakain namin. We feed birds at the same time. Natutuwa kami kasi every morning we can hear the birds humming at the top of the tree, and that is something exciting. Kasi nowadays wala ka na makikita mga ibon-ibon. But to us, na-experience pa namin yan. Even my grandson, which is living in my house, diyan siya naglalaro sa ilalim niyan. And then, yun, narinig niya. Sabi niya, what's that, mommy? That's birds. They're eating our cherries. Sinishare din namin sa nature yan, guys. Para naman, kasi ba, di ba, ang birds are God's creation. Siyempre, pinifeed mo sila. If-feed ka rin din, Lord, ng mga blessings, di ba? That's what I believe, ha? Kasi ganoon ako eh. Sabi ko nga sa aking partner, huwag mo nang kunin yung magtira ka kasi nga, siyempre, i-share din natin sa nature. It's the nature that gives us these blessings. And we have to return them. Diba, guys? And that's all for the day. God bless everyone. Have a safe day. Tsaga-tsaga lang, guys. Bye. This is Mommy Alona. Don't forget to subscribe.